Hi, this is Tracy Schloss from Schloss Web Services. Today I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress menus. A little bit different than if you have a theme that the pages go directly into your menu. First, what we're going to do is we're going to add a new page. For this particular site, I actually have it up on another window. We've got these items up here on top, and we're going to go back in here and we're just going to do OO test, and we're going to pretend we have some nice content there, and then we are going to publish this page. Once we have published the page, whenever I work in WordPress, I always use two windows, one for the front end, one for the back end. We're going to click on here and we are going to hit refresh. The OO test does not appear anywhere. And a lot of people will build their sites and put in a new page and wonder, where the heck is it? How come it's not there? Under appearance is menus. If your theme is a theme that uses the menus and you have configured a menu, or your web developer has configured a menu within this world here, here's all that we've got in that menu. You've got a couple of options to add things to it, and this is all kind of recent within the last year of WordPress, so I'm loving this. We used to have to do a lot of plugins to get this to work. All your pages are listed right here. In the back end, we're under menus, and this OO test is what we just created. So if we add to menu, you'll see it appear down here, right there. If we save the menu and go back to the website, hopefully it doesn't have too much space, OO test is right here. And that is how you add something to the menu. Now, OO test, we really might want under necklaces. We can rearrange where we put OO test and save the menu, and then go back and do a preview by refreshing the screen. Look at the menu up on top. OO test is here, and now it's here in the middle. So we can move it around anywhere we want it to by just simply putting our mouse over it and dragging it. If we drag it to the right under any particular item, you'll see a little box appear. See how there's a little box? Drag it, drop it, and save it. If your WordPress theme that you're using supports drop-down menus, that's how you would get a drop-down menu. If we go under here, and we see OO test is under necklaces. So it's as simple as that to add a menu. If you want that out of your menu, you simply hit remove. Another new feature, since we're back here into the menu section, that you can add is a link to an external site. If we wanted to go to Yahoo, we could actually say, Yahoo, this is what it's going to say, this is the link it's going to, and we hit add to menu. It's going to appear down at the bottom, and then we can drag it into any position that we want. That's a great function, and if you've got an external site, maybe you're selling something or you're linking over to something else, that's a great feature. Another thing that you can do is add categories. This particular blog does not have any categories yet, but if you look at my website, Schloss Web Design, all of these down here are actually categories. And when I hover over them, you actually see it down below down here. Watch when I hover. See, it says category marketing tips. They're just blog categories. So if we go back to the menu and those were categories that they had, we can add them and it just comes up here. Let's just put this in hypothetically. And if you see this says page over here, and this would say category. In your menu, you drag it into the spot that you want it in and you save it. That is how you add new items to your WordPress menu. This is Tracy Schloss. I hope it helped. Thank you.